There's almost enough room to turn around.
This stresses me out so bad.
Come on, baby, come on, come on, come on. No, you can't hear you.
No, enough.
Sometimes dragging this thing around with us everywhere can be kind of a pain. So we thought we'd try something a little smaller. Not that small. Like just leaving Abby behind and boondocking in just our truck in the snow. The day before we did a little recon and it went about like you'd expect. We are too big to get past that, so I'm gonna try to use my truck to back up and pull this log out of the way. The odds of this working are like 41%. Okay, let's party! Woo! This is the recon mission for truck camping with Boomer and no Abby. Would we be sleeping in here? Or would we be sleeping back here? I fear that it would snow and we don't have a camper. Should we we were just talking about this, should we get a camper shell and get more serious about truck camping? I kind of want to go a little farther up there. There is another 5 miles of snow trail. Leela's like more conservative, I would say. So I saw these guys in a truck and they were turning around because they saw the snow right there. They're like, yeah. I'm like, hey, is there anywhere else to park up there? He goes like, I could blaze you a trail. I'm like, sure, bro, go. Is that the end?
Yeah, it gets way worse.
Thanks for trying. Looks like we're gonna stay right here for the night. Not really sure what to do. We were camping a lot. We took the kids to Sequoias every year, but it was summertime in a tent. But now we're here. The temperature's like dropping precipitously. And if you can see those clouds back there, those aren't sunshine clouds. So there's a chance we'll get...
I saw something that said like 90% chance that we're probably gonna get snow.
So we could get rained on, snowed on, we could get stuck up here. We could freeze to death because the only source of heat is each other. And some Walmart blankets or Walmart sleeping bags and a few blankets. So we're a little worried. So are there bears in these parts? Do we have to leave the food in with us?
I think it's snowing over there.
We got us a $25 Walmart stove, Coleman. Directions are for losers, man. Put it in there and you go ignite. Oh, maybe ignite you have to. It has an igniter. Oh, it probably needs a battery. Just light it. Okay, step away. What is coming on my head? Did you bring utensils?
Like what?
Like spatula for cooking?
We are out here. Nobody else is around us. Look at the view around us. Like, kind of epic. Not too many places. I don't know that I've ever been in a place by myself like this.
Nice job, man.
Thank you.
Gourmet tacos in the rain and snow, freezing to death. Everything's better when you're camping.
Dude, there is one thing about coming up here when it's like this. It's beautiful.
We're terrible at getting fire started, but we're gonna try right now. Dug a little bit of a hole, brought some wood from our forest. We'll make a fire. You want a fire?
I don't want anything that's warm.
First, you gotta split the logs so you can make some kindling. That is never gonna work. I got a better idea. You get a rocket torch and you light this wet bag here. It's supposed to be super flammable, right? Please do it. Little known fact, I am an Eagle Scout, but I am motivated to get a fire. Plus the act of making the fire makes me warmer.
Let's see how he's coming along.
It's gonna happen, man. It's gonna happen. This may not happen. It's gonna happen. What am I saying? This is gonna happen. That's what it's like outside now, but we are gonna sleep in here tonight. We're gonna be so warm. We got 5 foot 3 inches from there to there, and there's 5 foot 11 of Leela. Want to snuggle?
I think we have to.
We've got this little air pad on one side. One sleep bag on top. Let's unzip them and have one on the bottom, one on top. That's what our bed's looking like so far. And right now, we are putting towels in the windows over there.
The truck's not liking it. I think I need help.
It's our insulation. I did not get the fire going in spite of my Eagle Scout skills. I blew through all the butane on a lighter and one of those logs, and it's embarrassing. And now we're gonna make hot chocolate, but can't find the lighter. That looks very comfortable down there, maybe. She's very, what are you?
I found the lighter.
Where was it?
It was in this door.
Perfect. Why did you put it there?
Yeah, right.
I will fill it and we'll make hot chocolate. Yay!
Is that a bug? What is that?
Oh yeah. Gotta clean the pan after.
I'm just sitting here waiting for Trevor because we've lost yet another thing.
9:37 at night. We're finally in the back of the truck.
I just don't want to have to get up in the middle of the night and...
Oh God, if I have to pee in the middle of the night, it's such a pain. I caught the butane lighter on fire because the butane wouldn't go in, and then I sparked it because it was all over the outside. I put my camera bag by the brakes up there for storage, and so the light was on, and then when I pulled stuff out, I hit the emergency brake, so the emergency came off, and we're pointing down a hill, and there's a cliff over there. Typical Jones night truck
I wondered
camping.
why I was afraid when we were parking here next to this edge.
Kaylin wants to know if it's okay if she has ravioli for a bedtime snack. These are the texts we get if we don't take Kaylin with us.
I'm kind of giddy because I discovered if I go this way, I can put my feet underneath there and I can actually stretch my legs out the entire way.
Do you know where my phone is?
All we're doing is looking for your stuff.
Oh wait, I found it. We're not settled.
Have you locked the door yet?
Nope. Can you lock from back here?
Oh, you just got the window thing down.
No. Ah! You're on my side. Dude, you were gonna have to move those legs. This is why you try truck camping or car camping or camper vanning before you invest in one.
But we wanted to see if we would even have a desire to do something like this, and
do we have a desire?
I think we should let them know at the end. How many times you predict we'll be
and will we have to pee in the middle of the night? Heaven forbid we have to do the other thing. Oh.
We've been in bed for a whole half an hour, and I'm moving to the other side.
54 in here, that's pretty warm.
Hey, that's
11 o'clock, I have slept 0.
And we thought we were gonna just try it this way. This way's not working at all. It's even worse now.
Come on back, honey.
Your belt, ow.
Why is my belt not on my pants? I used to like cuddling.
And now you're like, oh my
Get out of my way, woman.
This is not going so well.
And I'm thirsty.
Which means you'll have to pee how many more times?
All of them.
You are going out?
I am out. After one, I think I must have slept for part of it, but I got seriously claustrophobic, so I just put the seat down. It's squishing her. Oh, this is actually considerably better. What if we open the window, we can stick our feet out the window? Now we have to pee. Both of us. Oh man, this is. I'm like, where's the button? If I could press the button and just teleport to my bed, I would totally give up right now. I can't tell you how much more comfortable it is to sit on this back bench. Peeing in the cold just now was the highlight of my night.
Oh my gosh, it felt so good to stand up. Yes, I have personal space.
Right.
I have some personal space.
She's been okay for a minute, I think. I, on the other hand, have not. I cannot get comfortable. I am so claustrophobic. I've been trying the floor while she's trying the bench, and I keep waking her up every time I move, which is every 5 seconds. And it's only, let's see, time is it? 1:36. We didn't get very far. Rotate. Oh, wait, let's see if I can make the floor all comfy for you. There we go. It's really good. I can't tell you how great it is down there. You should try it. You can stretch out. It's really good. Here, hop on down. Why are you pulling all the blankets off me? Take 17. Good night.
Okay, I did it. I slept here on the ground. He slept up there.
It was so much better. Slipped. I would not use that word. It would not be the correct
You
word.
snored.
That wasn't me. That was rough. No better?
Last night, sleeping in there was pretty freaking miserable. If sleeping conditions were great, we could make something and organize a setup. I could totally do this.
This is full-on boondocking. There's nothing here. Do we build out this truck? The challenge being when we want to take the RV, you have to pull all the stuff off, which could take a long time. Or do we build out a camper van? I think it's burned. Yeah, we're having eggs for breakfast, except one of us forgot the eggs. So instead we're gonna have leftover potatoes and cheese quesadillas. Round one was a fail.
But morning is not a fail. Wow.
We've seen one guy today, and he's the dude that lived in the wilderness by himself.
So in 2014, I spent the year up here living at my mining claim. If you spend enough time out here, you start to get integrated into the natural energy of these mountains. And it becomes a pretty incredible experience.
I can't believe I agreed to let him drive up here. This just scares me.
It's like we're on the highway, baby.
Oh, that's a lot of snow up here, dude. Where are we turning around? We're not making it. We're not making it. We're not making it.
So now what do we do?
Now we're gonna have to back up. Are you gonna be able to back up this whole way?
We're in the groove. We're fine. A little too far on this side, trying to stay away from the edge, that's all.
Yeah, trying to sway away from the edge. We ended up on that edge. We had almost made an entire trip without. Yeah, if you can you're getting some on there. Stop, stop. You're getting there.
Oh my gosh, I went through that.
There you are, yes.
We got this, Leela.
And if you clear a path across the whole way, oh my gosh, yes! Woo-hoo! Yeah! Woo!
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
But are we gonna do this again?
Not like that.
Oh, not like that, no, no, no. But I think we're going to,
To learn more about boondocking, you want to click right down there. To see if we end up with a camper van or a truck camper, click right down there.
we did it!